everybody, Mr. Chris back again with some more Math Summer Brain Gain for this week. As you know, it's Harry Potter week, so we got 2 more Harry Potter activities. The first one is kind of simple. We'll do this one first. It says Harry Potter made a graph of the pets he saw in Gryffindor Tower. Use the graph to answer your questions. And it's got a few questions down here and it shows you this chart. Our second one's a little more complicated, but it's not too bad. It's word problems, and everybody needs to know how to do some word problems. They're also known as application problems. So you guys do need to know how to do these as you get older. But Harry Potter's Problems is the name of this worksheet. So we'll get to that one in just a second. Let's do our simple one first. Alright, so first question says, how many toads did he see? And as you can see on the chart, it says toads, cats, owls, and rats. And it has a block, it's like a bar graph, a block or bar going to the number. So he's seen 1 toad. Right there it says 1 toad. So the answer is just 1. How many cats did he see? The bar goes up to 4. How many owls did he see? The bar goes up to 7. How many rats did he see? He also seen 1 rat. Now it says, which animal did he see the most of? So this is like our inequalities that we've been doing. Which one of these numbers is the greatest? 1, 4, 7, or 1? We can cancel out the 1s because they're the same. 4 or 7. So 7's greater, so he's seen the most of whichever he's seen 7 of, which was the owls. So the answer is owls. Which animal did he see the least of? Now he's seen 1 rat and 1 toad. So he's seen the same amount of rats and toads. So the answer there is rats and toads. Because he's seen 1 of each. Okay, now we're going to go on to our next worksheet. It's a little more complicated, but I think we can handle it here. I'm just not going to do all of them with you, but I'll do a few of them. The first one says, Hogwarts has 134 classrooms in the West Wing and 161 classrooms in the East Wing. How many classrooms are there altogether? So that's just wanting you to add 134 and 161. So just a 3-digit addition problem. So 4 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So altogether, there are 294 classrooms in Hogwarts. Use your calculator, parents, whoever you want to use, whatever you want to use for that. Number 2 says, Harry has 344 chocolate frog cards. He gives 109 cards to Ron. How many does he have left? So that's going to be a subtraction problem. 344 minus 109. So these are where it gets a little complicated and you could use your calculator better. But we have to borrow from the number in front of it. So that turns that into 14. This into 3, and that stays to 3. 14 minus 9 is 5. Yeah. And then 3 minus 0 is 3, and then 3 minus 1 is 2. So there, he has 235 chocolate frog cards left. So I'll go ahead and do this last one with you, and that's all I'm going to do. It says, all 139 students in Ravenclaw came to the party too. How many students are there altogether? But we're going to have to do 6 to do that one, so we'll do 6 first. There are 134 students in Gryffindor and 146 students in Hufflepuff. They decide to join the party, to have a joint party. How many students will be there altogether? So it wants us to add 134 and 146. So after we add those, 6 and 4 is 10, carry the 1, it's 8 and 2. So 280 is the answer to number 6. So now it says all 139 students from Ravenclaw came to join the party too. How many students are all together now? So you take your 280 from your last problem, and you're going to add the 139 from Ravenclaw. So 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 3 is 12, carry the 1, and then 2 plus 1 is 4. So altogether at that party there was 429 students. Now, I didn't do number 3, 4, and 5 with you guys, but I think you can handle it. Get your parents to help you guys with these word problems because they're a little more complicated. But I hope you guys enjoyed today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.